Hi, this is Karthik. In this video, I will show you how to live stream your laptop screen to YouTube, and this can be done on any operating system like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Okay, so let's get started. We need two things or three things for this procedure. That is, one is our laptop screen, and second one is OBS software, and third one is an YouTube channel. So, and one more thing is this OBS software and YouTube channel, that is for live streaming, both are free of cost. So let's get started. First, in Google search for OBS Studio, click on it, and this is an open source software and it is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So as my system is Windows, I am going with Windows. You can download anything depending on your requirement. Okay, the download has started here. So before going to this installation, we will go to our YouTube channel. Go to youtube.com and log in with your Gmail account. Okay, after opening the YouTube, you can see here a plus, that is create icon here. Click on it and select on go live. Okay, if you are using a live for first time, you have to request access from YouTube. For that, it is showing that button here, and it is mentioned here, that is, once requested, it may take up to 24 hours to get access to the live streaming. So click on request. So just follow the on-screen instructions. So you need to enter you have to select your country, then you have to enter your phone number, and you have to enter the verification code. An SMS will be sent to your mobile phone. Okay, I have received my SMS 3078. Okay, this is the OTP. Click on submit. Phone number verified. Now if we go back to the previous tab here, okay, then something is mentioned here, that is, oops, something went wrong. Click on finish. Okay, we'll do one thing. We go back to youtube.com again. Then again we'll go to create and select the go live option. Okay, now you can see it is saying that we have to wait 24 hours for accessing this option, live option. Okay, anyway, I have another channel which have live function readily available, so I will shift to that one. Just open, and I am opening my another channel here which is having live option available, which is already activated long back. And this is my channel, and if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and also click on bell icon so that you don't miss any updates in the future. Okay, let's go to create here, then select go live. Okay, this is a screen. and let's leave it like this only. Now what we will do is we will install our OBS Studio here. Select on the file downloaded, then click on yes, click on next, then click on install. And for live streaming, it is important to have a good internet connection and high-speed internet connection so that the buffering will not happen. Okay, now click on finish, and let's wait to OBS Studio to launch. Before that, we will open our channel here, and you can see here connecting streaming software to go live. Viewers will be able to find your stream once you go live. So our OBS Studio has launched here. Then click on next, then click on next, then here it is asking for an option that is use stream key, that is, or you have to connect your account. So what I will do is I will select YouTube RMS here, because you can see here RTMP. Okay, so we have to select the same stream here, service YouTube RTMPS. Next click on use stream key. Now we have stream key here, just copy it like this. Okay, you can see successfully copied to clipboard. Now go here, paste it. Okay, now click on next. Now you can see the YouTube also has connected to our streaming service. Okay, now click on apply settings, then click on close. If in case by any reason you missed adding your streaming key, it is simple. Go to the settings option here, then go to stream here and add your stream key here. Okay, next. Now you can see it is showing a blank screen here, no data, so the stream is okay. So what we have to do is we have to select this plus button icon here, and you have to select a source to live stream. So suppose I want to live stream my Firefox browser. For that I will select a window capture. Okay, now we have, after selecting that window capture option, we have three windows opened here: Chrome, Firefox and screen recorder. So I will select Firefox. Okay, now, or I will select a Chrome browser here, so that the multiple screen will not come. Okay, after that click on OK. Now what we have to do is we have to select start streaming. Okay, it is again asking stream key is missing. Just open settings, just go to stream, use stream key. We just copied stream key just before. Now then click on apply, click on OK, again click on start streaming. See, now it is started connecting. Maybe streaming key has changed, so I copy the streaming key again and then go to the stream. Now what I will do is we will stop the streaming here, then go to settings again, then select stream option, then remove it, repaste, click on apply, click on OK, then click on start streaming. Okay, now you can see we got live here. You can see we got live here. We got our Chrome displaying. Okay, suppose if I go to new tab, the same thing happens there also. See, but there will be small delay. So we'll go to new tab and maximize the screen. You can see here in the live also same thing happening. So this is how you can live stream your laptop or a desktop screen in YouTube. I hope you understood, and I think my video was very useful to you. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And before closing, one more thing I want to tell you is you can edit here titles and category, all these things. You can click on edit and you can edit them and click on save, so that the live stream title will be changed as per your need. And one more thing is, this is the chat section here right side. Okay, so if someone chat with you in the live session, you will get the messages here and you can reply from here, like, hi, welcome to live stream. Okay, someone can reply to your comments and they can also comment back individually. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos. This is Karthik signing off.